Welcome to another video. This is going to be the first video of 2019 and we are working on the Miata. I did get a steering rack thanks to all of you who supported me on GoFundMe page. Using those money, I got the steering rack. Today, I'm going to attempt to install it by myself. Join in, welcome, let's get it going. Well, there we go. We got the steering rack over here, but apparently, what are those called again?
Tie rods!
Tie rods! Got it! Tie rods are, I'm guessing this rubber piece is not supposed to be broken. This part is messed up. This part is also messed up. So I can't do anything. I'm gonna call the Advanced Auto Parts and see if they have the outer tie rods.
I can order them for you. They're 86 bucks a piece.
Oh, that's...
I'll get them tomorrow.
Nah, it's okay. I'll look around somewhere else. Thank you, though.
Okay.
Have a good one. Bye-bye. Calling O'Reilly's now. The closest O'Reilly's to me.
Alright, so I don't have anything in stock. I could order it and have it, by the next day if need be. It would be $72.99 for the Master Pros and $90 for the Import Direct.
Okay, I'll still look around. If anything, I'll call you back. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks, Tom.
Have a good one. Bye. $90? $90 freaking dollars? Yes, look, $27. Yeah, I guess I'll get these. Every time. Okay, every single time. Something doesn't go right. I'm so sorry. I'll still mount the steering rack and I'll just make a vlog because that's what I was gonna do originally anyway.
That's really dumb.
Why?
Well, because that's like something that comes with a steering rack, and you don't.
And this is also
You can't hold it in without that.
Is it
Yeah.
supposed to be cut?
Yeah, it's fine, but yeah, so this sits flat.
Well, I can't mount it, goddammit! Jed is helping me right now to contact the seller of the steering rack from eBay. And hopefully we can get some, some stuff figured out and get at least the mounting brackets. I got the tie rods, so that's good. Switching to the vlog part, Caleb, what are we doing today?
We're doing a lot of things.
Great. Very descriptive.
Right now we're installing a battery isolator, and then we're going to be installing amps and wiring speakers and doing woodwork.
So I need videos, I need content. Caleb has been working on the bus for the entire 2 weeks now, I think. 3 weeks, a month, I don't know. So, everything looks super epic. And he actually has the lights that actually work from the actual power. He's got batteries in there. We got Jared over there working, helping out. I can't wait to sleep over here at some point. Mark my words, this summer when we're gonna go to events, I'm gonna be sleeping on this thing. Or maybe I'll be cuddling with Caleb on the main bed. I don't know yet. I'm gonna be working on cutting up some wood for the bus, obviously, where the guys are gonna be working on the audio system, wiring everything, putting all the speakers in, the subwoofer, and testing everything out.
Dude, this sounds insane from right where I am. Like pointing these two speakers at myself.
I'm sure.
Stand like right there.
Lights. Okay. I didn't know what to do. I was just kind of hanging out around people. So I decided to take a camera and take some, in my opinion, nice shots. So hopefully I'll make a little kind of cinematic edit. By now you've probably seen it. Let me know what you think because I like doing the cinematic shots. I like to improve the quality of a video and I just enjoy doing these and I don't know. I never really have a reason to do it. I like memes. I like memes, so I don't really focus. I like memes, so I don't really focus on doing some cinematic shots. I just kind of do whatever shot I feel like doing, and I just edit and post and make it funny. But I could do really cinematic, awesome videos, in my opinion, and I can progress and learn how to do it better and better and better. So by every time doing it a little more and more and more, I hope I'll improve. So just let me know what you guys think. I haven't filmed videos in a while because I was taking a little break for the holidays. I was playing a bunch of games, such as Fortnite, okay? I'm sorry, I was lazy, I get it. I really, really, really appreciate you all. I was gonna say Happy New Year's and Merry Christmas. Obviously it's late now, but it's better late than never. So I hope you all had an amazing time. Spend it with your family, friends, got the gifts you wanted. I do want to say, once again, thank you all so much for watching this video and just watching my content in general. I will do my best to do one video a week starting this week or starting from this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay positive. Bye.